Interesting facts about nature. The longest river in the world is the River Nile, clocking 6,853 kilometers in length. Its water resources are shared by 11 different countries, too. The deepest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Baikal, located in Siberia. It plunges to a whopping depth of 5,315 feet, 1,620 meters. Acacia trees in Africa communicate with each other. They emit gases to alert other trees to produce the toxin tannin, which protects them from hungry animals. Each limestone/granite block that makes up the Great Pyramid of Giza weighs 2.5 tons. And there are 2.3 million of them. Yes, you read that correctly. It would take you approximately 18 months to walk all the way along the Great Wall of China